Hello, today we'll be using the scratch method to add a series of numbers. First, we will start in the ones column. We start at the top, adding 3 plus 5, which will give us a sum of 8. Then we add our 8 to 6, which gives us 14. Since the sum of our numbers in our ones place is bigger than 10, we will put a scratch over the 6, which will let us know to put our 10 in the tens place. Then we will come over and look at our 14, and since there are extra numbers in our ones place, which is a 4, we will bring that down and place that in our ones place. Then we move over to the top of our tens place, adding 10 plus 30, which will give us 40, and then 40 plus 40 equals 80, and 50 plus 80 will give us 130. Seeing that our sum is bigger than 100, we will put a scratch over the 5, letting us know to drop a 100 in the hundredths place. Then looking at our 130, we notice that there are numbers in the tens place, which is 3. So we put a 3 in its proper tens place, giving us a final sum of 134. This is how you use the scratch method, and thank you for coming to my video.